Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find a system version or Android version in our Samsung Galaxy S22. Where to look for our system version information. Of course, we need to go to Settings, and at the bottom of this list we have About Phone section, and here it is Software Information. When we go here, we have every possible information that we could want about our system, but we are interested in Android version. As you can see, we have version 13 and updates, etc., build numbers, everything is right here. That's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.